Coffee mug warmer. Anbanglin coffee warmer for desk with auto shut off. Coffee cup warmer for coffee, milk, tea. Candle wax cup warmer heating plate, dark blue. 3 temperature settings and easy to use 20-watt mug warmer for coffee, tea, milk, hot cocoa or your candle wax. You can warm or keep your coffee up to 104-131-149, 40-55-65. Just need to soft touch the button. Note, it does not support to boil liquids. Automatic shut-off after 4 hours. The electric coffee cup warmer for desk with automatic shut-off after continually working 4 hours. No worries about forgetting turn it off. Note, there is no any noise when the coffee mug warmer is working. I'll power cord with the high-tech polyimide (PL) film material make the coffee warmer heat resistant and fire resistant. The spill-proof design avoids damage and makes cleaning a breeze. 60 long length all power cord is more convenient and safer than other brands. Suitable for most cups. The cup warmer plate is suitable for metal, ceramic, enamel, tile, high temperature plastic and etc. Tips: use a mug with thin wall. Flat bottom will get the best warming performance. Customers service. All Anbanglin coffee cup warmers enjoy 12 months warranty. If you any questions or you are not satisfied, please freely contact our customer service. We will try our best to solve you all. Now, please take the best gift for your families and friends. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.